So let's start with some more percentage questions. We try to practice it. So first you try to solve this, and if not, then we both we try them. Okay, no problem. So if the price of a product is first decreases by 25%, and then increases by 20%, then what is the percentage change in the price? Listen, first I try to do this with a long method so that you can understand this very nicely. Then I will give you a formula for it. Okay, so suppose anything has the first price of it is cost price. Okay, cost price. So we consider cost price always 100%. Okay, but first it is increased. No, the decreases by 25%. Oh, first it decrease. So after decrease, after decrease, what after decrease it would be 75%. Yeah, because when you subtract 25, because 100% if something, and then you decrease 25% from it, it will be 75%. Then it increases by 20%. Now you can't do simply subtract 20% because 100 is complete, its original value. So we simply subtract 25 from 100. Everything is 100% when it is complete. But now in this case it already decreases by 75%. So, but for the second condition, this 75% is the original value. Now, so we have to decrease, or sorry, the increase of 20% from this 75%. So, as we know, increase in 75. So, what its value? So, 75 we have to use. So, here I will give you one thing. 20% increase. I'm sorry, here I will first write this. Okay, so 20%. Now you see some magic of fraction. The fraction value of 25 is this 20%. Sorry, 1/5. So if the fraction value is this, now we have to increase the 20%. So I already said that in previous video that 5 is showing, or 5 is aiming to like pointing to 100%, and 1 is aiming to 20%. So we need to increase the 20% from something. So it means we have to suppose if we need to increase the 20%. So now when we increase 20%, it as at 120%. Okay, so as I already say that 5 is similar to 100%, 1 is similar to 20%. So if we add 1 with 5, so we get 6, and 6 is nothing but 5 is 100, 1 is 20. So 100 plus 20, 126 is now 120%. So this is the fraction value of when we increases, when we increases anything with 100%. Okay, yeah, this is okay. So if we need to increase the 20 from 20, if we need to increase the 20, so we have to do this thing only. Yeah, simply we have to do this thing only. So now what is the what answer for that? So the answer just to be divided by 75. So 15, 15, 6 are 90. So 90. Okay, so this is the value of this when we increase 20% is 75%. So its value just go to 90% from 100%. Now its final value is 90% when we do all these things. Okay, so this is the answer. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this is the answer. Now what is the percentage change? So 10% change. The answer is 10% change because first it is 100 and then we do all calculations, so it is 90. So 10% change or decrease in a 10%. Okay, no problem. So if we want to do the this thing with the help of some formula, then how can I do? So for this, the formula is simple. Just x. Suppose the first percent is x. 25 considered as x. Then what addition of by the second percent change is 20. We consider as y. And then we have to do the simple thing is plus x by divided by 100. I think this is the formula. So as we try to do, we put the value simply. So 25 first, but first it is decreasing. So we consider it's a negative. Okay, we consider as a negative. Then we again add, but this that only, yeah, 20 into 25 divided by 100. So what the answer it could be, we try to understand. So this is nothing but the minus 5 when we solve this. Now the minus this 25, so it would be 5. Yeah, it would be 5. So it's 5. Okay, when we solve this portion, so we get this 5, and when we solve this portion, so we get this 5, and this is nothing, it is nothing but the equal to, it is nothing but the equal to 10. You can say that minus 10. So here you can see the change. Here also we get the 10% change. Okay, because decrease in 10%, so this minus, so minus sign showing that it is a decrease. or it is a loss or anything, but minus sign is saying decrease a percentage. So as you know, from 100% it is 90%. So here also we get the minus 10%. So we directly say that the percent change in the price is minus 10%. Simple. So this is the formula. This is the main formula. Just to be here, we put the sign according to the question, because decrease, so we as a decrease we show with the help of minus. Simple. This is the solution. Thank you. Try to be next question.